Hi, my name is Darren Joseph from HCJ.tax, and we're the team that seeks to demystify that sometimes confusing world of international tax. And today we have the honor and privilege of speaking to one of our own, Alyssa Marie, who is not just a great private client lawyer, but also an accountant as well. Double trouble. And you're going to help us, Alyssa Marie, navigate PPLIs, private placement life insurance policies, which are increasingly popular with our clients. And not just as an alternative, sometimes to family foundations or to trust, or perhaps it's in combination with a trust. So let's get into that. Alyssa, but before, Alyssa, could you introduce yourself?
Hello everyone, I'm Alyssa Marie Apple Mabingnay Lanugan. In my practice, I wear two hats as an attorney and as an accountant, specializing in complex tax planning. I help high net worth families bridge the gap between tax efficiency and legal structure. Today, we're focusing on private placement life insurance or PPLI, a specialized tool that sits precisely at the intersection of my expertise, where investment strategy meets rigorous tax compliance.
My next question, with the ever-changing landscape of international tax reporting, you're talking about FBARs and FATCA, Form 8938 and stuff like that, how does holding foreign investments inside a domestic PPLI policy simplify or complicate the client or the taxpayer's annual filing requirements?
Holding foreign investments inside a domestic PPLI policy generally simplifies annual tax reporting by converting foreign, complex assets into a single domestic insurance holding. It eliminates the need for FBAR, FinCEN 114, or FATCA Form 8938 filings for the underlying assets, replacing them with a single annual reporting item while deferring income tax.
Okay, so Alyssa Marie, thanks for that. I mean, you've been answering questions that so many advisors are either unwilling or afraid to answer. If somebody wants to follow up and ask more questions, what's the best way to do that, Alyssa Marie?
Just visit our website, htj.tax, to find out more.